purpose of this video is to help you get starting to build your first calendar. And it's going to be a very simple calendar, nothing too outrageous, but it will help get you going. So I have a calendar open. The name of the file is called Nebraska Athletics. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to File, create a new calendar file, and I'm going to call it New Calendar. And you see it has nothing inside the calendar. So I'm going to click on the toolbar button that says Show Date Data Grid. And here you see there's nothing in the database. So I'm going to add an event for today. I'm going to call this 11/16/2021. And I'm going to call this New Event. Okay. And right now, just by looking at this color, I can say that this number means that it's white and 0 means black. So I want to show you how to change the background color of this event. So if I just double click in that column on that row, you'll see that the solid color white is there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a gray color, and I'm going to lighten it up by moving this slider bar up and down. Okay. When I say OK, it creates the number that's used for that background. So let's go back to the calendar view and let's see what that looks like. There we go. So the title is in black and the calendar event is in a light gray. Now that looks pretty stark, so let's do something. Let's add a background picture to this month. So let's go to File and let's go to Settings, and here you see it says select the month. We're going to work on the month of November. Everything within this box affects the month of November. If you want to change another month, you have to select it or be on that month when you come in here. So I'm going to select a background image, and you'll see that it goes to my public documents, the month, day, hour, and the graphics subdirectory. And all of these files ship with the software. I give this to you. So let's pick on something. I'd like to have a nice fall picture. So let's see. Let's see what I have there. Okay. Alright. I don't see the picture I'm looking for. So let's pick on the pumpkin photo. Okay. And we've added that to the background. Okay. Now I have also given you some preset holidays, so you can import some holidays into your calendar without having to type all those in. So let's go to File, let's go to Import Date Data, and we're looking for the holidays txt file, usholidays.txt. Okay, and that is shipped with the software also. So I'm going to open that, and I'm going to import all the fields, and you'll see now that I imported 27 holiday records. I'm going to say OK, and you see that those all came with that background color, which I'm just going to accept. So there I have created a calendar. Now you can go ahead and put your birthdays and anniversaries on here. So let's put a birthday on the calendar, and let's say that it is going to be 11/21/2021. Okay, and this is Joe Campbell's birthday. I always like to add the birth year after this, because you're always wondering, well, how old is that relative of mine? So let's say 1993. Okay. Now, if we put a repeat period here, let's say we're going to repeat it for 20 years, and it's going to repeat annually. So they're yearly, okay? And we can call this family B-Day. So we can set everything up within the family birthday, or use your family name, okay? And I would also say that Joe Campbell's birthday is a work day, so you may want to set the work day. Okay, so now if we go back to the view of the calendar, you're going to see that Joe Campbell's birthday is on the 21st. Okay, and if we change year to 2025, you're going to see that Joe Campbell's birthday is already set up, and the repeating holidays have been cast forward to November of 2025. So let's go back and look at, let's go back to 2021, and you'll see that there's a couple of repeating holidays there. I don't want to get into all of the things here, but let's say you want to look at all of the U.S. holidays. You can study these and find out, okay, New Year's Day is not a work day, so it does not have that check mark there. I call it U.S. holidays so that I can group all these things together and update them or remove them or whatever you want. You see that there's some holidays in here, like April Fool's Day is not a work day, and the work day column works with a calculator that calculates work days between two certain dates, and that's why we have the work day column. I'm going to close now, and hopefully I didn't bore you too much.